Hey guys, this is going to be the official fire alarm system test 1 because up here it's just, I know that's Twitch I'm just not using, but it does work. I'm not going to use that alarm there, which is like the same. Wires, I know, there's no back boxes. That's the only thing that we don't have is back boxes. We do not have back boxes. We don't have back boxes. So yeah, inside the panel, and inside the panel, if I can unscrew this bit, I can. If I can, here we go. Alright, let's hang it off of here, so you know. And Hornet fire protection systems. I know fire alarms and more. Fire alarm channel that does something like this. Oh, did I actually go into the battery? No, I did not. But I am actually gonna. So basically, this is like the panel, which I know there's wires to go to the keypad here, but anyhow, here we go. Gotta lock that up. And you have to really make sure it's good enough in there. Because if this isn't, I try and change a setting on this reprogramming so I'm gonna actually have to do this. The only thing is that these systems are hardwired, so they can be kind of difficult to install. So if you don't know how to install one of these, Hornet Fire Protection Systems will install it for you. And Fire Alarms and More got some fire alarms sent to them. It's a YouTube channel that, yeah, been around there. Yeah, started with the video about 2020 New Year. Yeah. Like, that's the first video ever on there. We got keys. One's a panel box. One's for pull stations. The transformer that leaves cord I just plugged into the furnace outlet. That's where it's plugged into. That's just where the system is plugged into. Yeah, really. Other things goes to this system right there, which is the hub. And that goes to the printer. Other plug goes to the printer. There's like things on it. I had that power strip around their pipe there, but I knew something wouldn't work out if I did it like this, had it there, so I had to move this right here. I had to put this there, and it's been holding up really well. I did have to put in the screw because this will be popping out, because yeah, it's just not that stable. But it's still a good panel. Still have it. It works good. There's not been issues with it. But yeah, I mean, if you guys have anything you'd like to send to me, feel free to do that. If you're thinking you want to, feel free to do it. That's if you want to do it. If you feel like you want to actually send stuff, we got this keypad right there. We got the pull station number 1. Got fire alarm, which is cardboard blocking something for in the ceiling. So put the cardboard and just mount it on that. Oh yeah. Fire alarm, yeah. See, this has wires. That has no wires. I just figured out how to do it through there. And yeah, I am gonna be bringing the first pull station we're just gonna do is this pull station. Here, I'm gonna be here. You know what? Just gonna pull that thing down. I'll hit the button. I'll turn off the alarm.
Fire basement.
There we go. I know what we're doing.
Fire basement. Fire basement.
So what I do need to do is you reset that thing. It really showed us east basement area. Should show that. Got my code in. Alright, there you go. Now it's good. Here, let's go to the other part. There's one more pull station we need to pull down. I know. I am hoping to get the house smoke alarms connected to it. So if there's anything I might need for that. It's just all the first like hardwireds. That's really it. Just the ones with the voices and all that. They're not wireless, just hardwired in there. That's all we got. So if you figure out how we can get this easily in there, then feel free to send stuff. Here we go. Let's pull it down. There we go. Let's go. I gotta turn it off.
Fire.
Weird. Every time I pulled that one, it said west. But yeah, that is really weird. Because when I do it through that pull station pulled, I have to do it through the other keypad. Don't know why I have to, but that's weird. Doesn't work, doesn't even stop anything, but here. We're gonna try and figure this out by going into programming. This is a default, I'm not gonna change that, but here, let's go to star 56. See what we got. Yeah. Here, let's see what we get. 04, I think that's what it is. Oh yeah, partition 1. You don't want that. You want partition 3. Should be on. I think I just went fast and I was like, yeah, but you're supposed to, yeah. Should be good now. There we go. Should be good. I don't care what the other keypad's at. It just needs to be able to receive and transmit RF signals. That's all it needs to be doing. It doesn't need to do any other purpose. Yep, that's all it needs to do. It's just receive and transmit RF signals. This is the keypad. I really need to do it. Okay, thanks, subscribe. I really don't have a lot of fire alarms yet. I just have the 2 pull stations and that siren. There's other tones on it, but in maybe another video I will actually change the tone so I can show you what tones it has. But yeah. Anyway, you can like and subscribe, and goodbye. Because maybe Coordinate Fire Tracking Systems, maybe somebody can send me some stuff to actually demonstrate with this thing, and maybe it'll be good and you'll get good demonstrations of it. So I can subscribe. Goodbye.